You listed your home 3 weeks ago. The photos look great, the price feels right, but your agent keeps calling with the same update. No new showings, no offers. That's the moment most sellers start second guessing everything. The price, the agent, the timing. But before you make any moves, you need to understand what's actually going on. A few years ago, this wasn't a conversation most sellers had to have. Homes were selling in days, often with multiple offers. But the market has shifted. Over half of the listings right now are sitting for 60 days or more. Buyers have more options, they're taking their time, and they're pickier about what they're willing to pay for. That doesn't mean your home can't sell. It means the homes that are priced right, show well, and are marketed well are the ones getting attention. So if yours isn't, here is how to figure out what's going on and what to fix. Key point number 1, if you're getting showings but no offers, it's probably the price. This is the clearest signal there is. Buyers are coming through the door, which means the marketing is working and the location is right, but nobody is writing an offer. That usually means they're seeing other homes at the same price point that give them more, and yours isn't winning the comparison. In today's market, well-priced homes are selling in 63 days right now. Overpriced homes are sitting for 121. Buyers aren't negotiating anymore. If the price feels off, they move on. A meaningful price adjustment, not a 2000 trim, but a real repositioning, can put you in front of a completely new pool of buyers who weren't seeing your home before. Key point number 2, if you're not getting showings, buyers aren't finding you, or what they see isn't pulling them in. If your home isn't getting foot traffic, one of two things is happening. Either your price outside of the range where buyers are searching, so they never even see your listing, or your photos and online presentation aren't compelling enough to make someone want to book a showing. The first place buyers evaluate your home is online, and if the photos are dark, clutter, or don't show the home at its best, they scroll right past. This is where refreshing your photos, improving your staging, or updating your listing description can make a real difference. Sometimes a home just needs a relaunch with better visuals to reset buyer interest entirely. Key point number 3, if you tried everything and it's still not moving, it might be time to reset. If you have adjusted the price and improved the presentation, and you're still not getting traction, pulling the listing off the market for 2 to 4 weeks and relaunching can be a legitimate strategy. When you relist, your days on market reset, new buyers alerts fire, and the market sees a fresh listing instead of one that's been sitting for 90 days. Use that time off to make any updates, get new photos, and come back with a price and presentation that's dialed in from day one. It's not giving up, it's a strategy reset. If your home has been sitting and you are not sure what to do next, let's talk. I'll pull the latest comps, review your listing, and tell you exactly what I think is happening and what we can do about it. Give me a call or shoot me an email and I'll put together a game plan for your specific situation.